Are you tired of buying garlic every week? What if I told you that you could grow a never-ending supply right at home, even if you're short on space? Stick around, because today I'm sharing the ultimate guide to growing garlic at home, step by step. Garlic is not just a kitchen staple. It's also a superfood with incredible health benefits. Plus, it's one of the easiest crops to grow, whether you have a backyard garden or just a balcony. Before we dive in, here's what you'll need. Fresh garlic bulbs, preferably organic, well-draining soil, a pot or garden bed with at least 6 inches of depth, compost or organic fertilizer. Got everything? Great, let's start planting. Step 1. Separate the garlic into individual cloves but don't peel them. Step 2. Choose a sunny spot. Garlic thrives in full sunlight. Step 3. Plant the cloves pointy side up, about 2 inches deep and 4 inches apart. Step 4. Water lightly and cover with a layer of mulch for protection. To keep your garlic happy, water regularly but avoid overwatering. Remove weeds to ensure proper growth. Apply compost once a month for nutrient-rich soil. After about 8 to 9 months, when the leaves start turning yellow, it's harvest time. Gently loosen the soil and pull out your garlic bulbs. Let them dry for a week, and voila, your homegrown garlic is ready. Pro tips: start planting in the fall for the best harvest. Save a few bulbs from your first harvest for replanting. It's like free garlic forever. Experiment with different varieties for unique flavors. Now it's your turn to grow garlic like a pro. Share your progress in the comments and don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon so you never miss a gardening tip. Grow garlic, grow joy.